In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint Online in conjunction with SharePoint to enhance your presentation experience. First, let's navigate to PowerPoint for the web or open the application on your PC. These options provide you with the flexibility to work either directly from your web browser or from the installed application on your desktop. Once there, you'll want to open an existing presentation or start by creating a new one. Next, once you're in your chosen presentation, move your cursor to the bottom area of the screen where you can click on the Notes section. This feature is incredibly useful for adding speaker notes, allowing you to prepare and recall key points without cluttering your slides with too much text. Once you've accessed the Notes section, adjust the height to your preference. This will give you ample space to type your notes comfortably without squinting or scrolling too much. Remember, the goal here is to make your prep as seamless as possible, so take your time to make it look just right. After setting up the space, go ahead and type in the notes you will need for your presentation. These might include important reminders, additional data, or specific phrases you want to emphasize. Having comprehensive notes ensures you cover all necessary points without staring at the slides for cues. When you're satisfied with your notes, make sure to save your progress. You can either close the presentation with your changes saved, or simply click Save, which ensures that your hard work is not lost. Now let's transition to Microsoft Teams for collaboration or presentation to others. Jump into Teams and either open an existing chat, start a new meeting, or join a channel call depending on your needs. Once you're in a call, simply click on Join Now to enter the meeting space. Here you'll be looking for the sharing tool, typically found at the top of the call window. This is where you have the option to share your PowerPoint file. You can choose to upload it directly or browse your computer or OneDrive to find the file you need. After selecting your PowerPoint file, you can engage Presenter View, which will enable you to see your notes while your audience sees only the slides. The beauty of Presenter View is that it keeps you organized and confident, as you have your notes right there to guide you throughout the presentation. In summary, leveraging PowerPoint alongside SharePoint and Teams not only aids in personal productivity, but also enhances your presentation delivery, keeping you connected and interactive with your audience. Enjoy utilizing these tools to their full potential.